Hi everyone, this is Rob Grapes from Graphite Software. Thanks for joining us in our series of how-to videos for secure spaces. In this brief video, you'll learn how to create an open space on your device and install apps into this new space. This is my device with secure spaces and a few apps already installed. I'd like to download an app from the Play Store so that my children can play games on my phone, but I don't want their apps mixing in with my apps. I'll create an open space using secure spaces. In this way, my kids can't access my apps, my accounts, or my personal data. So I'll go into Settings and select Secure Spaces from the menu. I'll click on Add a Space, and I'll select Open from the menu. I'm not going to register this new space as I don't need to manage it remotely. And now you can see that I have a new open space on my device. Now I can go back to my home screen where I want to download the Charades app for my kids to play with. So I'll open up the Google Play Store and I'll search for the app called Charades. There it is. Before I download any app onto my device, I always like to check the requested permissions. For this particular app, I don't understand really why it needs access to my phone calls, my network, or USB storage. You'd be surprised, many apps ask for many more permissions. But with secure spaces, I'm not really concerned because the open space is an entirely separate space with no access to the apps or data in my owner space. So now that the app is downloaded, I want to configure where the app can actually run. Go back to my home screen, and I'll choose the owner space from the Secure Spaces menu once again. And I'll select the Configure Applications item. Now I can see all of the apps installed in the app drawer, and select which space will be allowed to see and run this new app. For Charades, I'm going to deselect the owner space, and select the open space. Now I can go back to my home screen and see that the icon has actually been removed. Now I'll go over to my open space, I'll open up the app drawer, and I'll drag the Charades app onto the home screen for my kids to play with. And that's all there is to it. My kids can't make in-app purchases or see any of my apps or data, and this new app can't either. Thanks very much for watching. Please visit our website and be sure to follow us on Facebook.